Positive entropy, non-mechanical entropy. This type of entropy encompasses forces that add order, complexity, and structure. It reflects actions and energies that are typically associated with life, consciousness, and constructive interactions that are not purely physical, but are integral to the formation and sustenance of organized systems. Examples include love, consciousness, and other forms of energy that promote connectivity and coherence. Negative entropy, mechanical entropy. In contrast, negative entropy is aligned with the traditional understanding of entropy in physics, which involves the inevitable progression toward disorder and chaos in closed systems. This reflects the natural physical processes that lead to the breakdown and dispersion of energy in the universe. The concept of entropy, typically associated with decay and disorder, is reimagined in the Genesis framework as a dualistic force encompassing both the creation of chaos and the installation of order. These forces, derived from a single divine source, God's will, illustrate a sophisticated mechanism by which all universal phenomena are governed. The Genesis framework could be viewed as suggesting that both forms of entropy are manifestations of a single divine will, a creative impetus from which all physical and metaphysical phenomena emerge. This source does not merely initiate creation, but actively sustains and governs the dynamic interplay between order and chaos. This perspective bridges the apparent contradictions between creation and entropy, order and chaos, suggesting that they are complementary aspects of a unified existential plan. Traditionally, love has often been viewed as a metaphysical concept, intangible and not easily quantifiable. However, when we consider its real-world effects, such as altering environmental conditions and enabling large-scale constructions that can influence gravitational fields, it becomes evident that love also operates as a powerful physical force. This paper proposes a paradigm shift in which love is recognized not just as a metaphysical phenomenon, but as a physical, non-mechanical entropic force that plays a crucial role in the dynamics of the universe. Love can physically alter conditions within an environment. For instance, adjusting a room's temperature to provide comfort for loved ones demonstrates how love can translate into energy changes and thermal dynamics. On a larger scale, acts of love, such as building homes, communities, or even monuments, involve significant physical labor and material use that can affect local and even regional gravitational fields. These constructions, driven by human emotion and connection, exemplify how love materially shapes our world. Unlike forces characterized by mechanical entropy, which inherently lead to disorder and energy dissipation, love, as a non-mechanical entropic force, introduces order and complexity into systems. It drives the organization of matter and energy in ways that increase systemic coherence and functionality, contrary to entropy's typical association with chaos. This perspective challenges traditional views of entropy as merely a measure of disorder. By acknowledging love's role in organizing and structurally defining our environment, we can expand our understanding of entropy to include the creation of order and complexity as fundamental aspects of universal dynamics. Recognizing love as a physical yet non-mechanical force bridges the gap between tangible and intangible phenomena. It supports a nuanced view of how non-mechanical forces can have profound physical effects, extending beyond traditional physical forces like electromagnetism or gravity. The recognition of love as a physical, non-mechanical entropic force reshapes our understanding of its role in the universe. It compels us to consider how emotional and relational energies materially influence the physical world, promoting a more integrated view of how human experiences and behaviors contribute to the physical and entropic dynamics of the cosmos. Life, as created by these unified forces, acts as a bridge between the high entropy states of potential chaos and the ordered structures necessary for its sustenance and growth. It stands as an entropic anomaly because it maintains and increases complexity and order, counterintuitively to the natural trend of increasing disorder observed in closed systems. The paper posits that life's role as a three-dimensional observer is not transient but eternally entangled with the broader dimensions of existence, often conceptualized as the heavens in spiritual discourse. This eternal entanglement suggests a reflective duality. What is manifest on earth, below, has its origins and counterparts in the higher dimensions, above, providing a deeper metaphysical significance to our existence and experiences. This approach not only enriches the scientific discourse around entropy, but also enhances our appreciation for the tangible ways in which love and similar forces actively shape our physical reality. By broadening our perspective on what constitutes a physical force, we deepen our understanding of the complex interactions that underlie the fabric of the universe.